Hi, I'm Nomad Nurse D, and I have a CLEARSOURCE Premier water filtration system that I will be unboxing in today's video. If you're interested in learning about what that entails, stay tuned. Start opening our new CLEARSOURCE Premier and show you what it comes with. You can buy this online from the CLEARSOURCE website itself. This is actually one that we were given by CLEARSOURCE, so thank you, CLEARSOURCE. Alright, so it's well packaged. Here you can see it's got all this detailed padding, so it really stays protected in the mail. And I have an instruction guide right here. And you'll need to lift this bad boy out of the box. So what this does is filters your water that you get from the hose. If you have a hose on the outside of your house or something, you could fill up your trailer or RV with water, but this way it will filter the water that actually goes in your RV. What happens is the hose will connect to one side, go through the filtration system, and then there's another side that you will connect into your RV. And I'll show you that a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you what this CLEARSOURCE looks like. It's pretty light, maybe 10-15 pounds. So I can pick it up myself. It has bolts on the top that I'll have to screw off in order to release these canisters. And then inside the canisters is a filter. If you're ever familiar with like a water filtration system for something else, the filter goes inside both of these containers. So yeah, that's the Premier. And again, the instructions just show you with replacing it. It tells you the exact type of water filtration, everything about how to clean it, storing it. It's pretty durable too, so like this thing we keep outside in all different types of weather, and it's pretty durable, which I like since we're on the move all the time. But yeah, if you want to know the specifics about what type of filtration system, it's all in the instructions. So I'm going to use this lovely doohickey thing to unscrew the canisters. I've learned that this goes on the side of the groove. There's grooves on the canister. So to just unscrew it, make this motion to unscrew it. I've untightened it a little bit, but it can be very, very tight typically. This canister will come off, and inside is the filter, which is the 5 micron, and it's on the left side, so 5 on the left. That's what that looks like. On the inside and for this outside contraption, CLEARSOURCE has said that you can clean it with mild soap and water. So that is the 5. Now for the right side, again, this was the left, this is the right. I'm going to unscrew that. It's already been untightened a little bit again. And this is the right side, which is the 0.2 micron filter. It has a plastic around it, so you can see compared to the other one how different it is. So again, 5.2. And it's easy as that. They do have a year warranty. And they say that if you're traveling full-time like we are, they recommend to change the filters at least quarterly if you're full-timing like we are. And that's it. Simple and easy. On the left side, this is the hose that will be coming from the campground. We have a water regulator on it with the arrow pointing towards the CLEARSOURCE. It tells us the PSI. I think recommended is around 60. And it will go through this canister and then this canister And then on the other side we have another hose, and this is the hose that goes into our RV. So on the right side RV, if you can remember those two R's. But again, this is just how we have ours set up. Some people do not put the regulator on it. We also have plumber's tape that goes around the end of the hose to try to prevent leaks. And then one more recommendation, since it is kind of chilly today, I just wanted to remind people that the water still will freeze. Water still freezes inside these canisters, so keep that in mind if it's below freezing temperatures. But that's our setup. It's pretty easy, and anybody can do this.